Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. said on one occasion, "There's not anything more powerful than the marching feet of a determined people."
We were a caravan from everywhere.
We didn't have the money to go on the buses, so one of the guys said, well, let's hitchhike, some 700 or so miles.
Some came in cars, trucks and buses and bicycles, roller skates.
And you could look and see, as far as the eye can see, there were just people.
The pleasure to present to you Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr.
Dr. King had collected a lot of social themes and couplets and words and language, and he brought all the best of those years of speaking together in one and gloriously magnificent moment.
I'm standing on the platform, about 50 feet behind him.
I kind of crawled up the steps and backed my way in, and I concentrated on his words and what he was saying.
And as I'm listening, I see that he is reading.
He starts off reading, and then at a certain moment,
Mahalia Jackson interrupted him while he's speaking. Tell him about the dream, Martin. Tell him about the dream. This whole body language changed. And he changed to what I call the Baptist preacher stance.
Like the greatest jazz musician, he just does an incredible solo.
And I say to the person standing next to me, whoever that was, I said, these people don't know it, but they're about ready to go to church.